Look, I didn't mean sauce. Really? I'd never sauce.
Six, you get out here right now and—
What? What do you want?
Six, you get out here right now and—
666, come back!
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девушка.
We've got everything we need here. Bed, 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 bed. This place is perfect. Well, it's perfect. Whatever. There's another room. Follow me. Through. Come.
Do you know where that is?
No.
It's
Okay.
Come, please.
Leave me alone! I don't even taste good!
Don't you worry. We finished. Good as new. Oh. Shush. It's starting.
Everyone.
Are you recording? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do this. No, 5, you're right. You should help outside. I'll deal with this tape nonsense. Hello, I'm Zero, and this is my audition. Zero, and I was petrified.
You brought sunscreen, right?
Yes. What?
The floor is lava now. Could be only one way to find out.
The spell is...
Z. Huh? Are you recording me?
8, I've always loved you.
What?
Like,
I don't know.
that was my platonic friendship bubble, which is only activated by strong platonic love for my best friend. 8! He's just so cool!
I did no such thing.
What?
I don't want them dead. I want them dead.
Oh, 15.
I'm gonna make the lava rise even faster.
Weaken our physical powers, but nothing can stop weaken our physical powers. Run!
Hurry, guys! We don't have much time!
We're floating?
You're being carried.
Who are you?
Who am I?
2,763, the most powerful number. Its mere presence drains the power of every number in its vicinity. That is what makes it so strong.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Dun, dun, dun.
Once it sees you, it can read your thoughts and project its voice into your mind. Buy for a visit because it will find you. Its eyes can see far, so you must hide. Once it sees you, it's game over. Now, eat this thing. Well, firstly...
It missed me?
None. Well, I just don't have any use for you. You're nothing.
Hello, this is my wife.